This is the European Lead by Nature network.
Our purpose is to see people fulfilled and that they empower their communities.
To have a network of people that you can grow together, for me it's like a great gift and opportunity.
We all came from nature and we can use it as a guidance.
The network is bringing an amazing opportunity for exploring new countries, new cultures, and creating partnerships, as well as many new friends.
Every country needs are different, so we are producing a lot of projects to meet the needs.
As an entrepreneur, we live a lot of loneliness, sometimes a lack of confidence, and if you're a mother, a woman, migrant, it's like, well, the pressure goes growing, but as well the purpose grows stronger.
So in 5 years from now, European Lead by Nature hopefully is gonna be run by the students, by the youth that are growing inside of it now.
With this space, we can support finding the inner leadership, building examples and role models of people who are innovating, who are doing things, exchanging all their valuable knowledge in order to serve.
I have big hopes. Let's see if we can make our best to make them happen as well.